us.
What are we doing, bro?
Mira lo que hay ahí. Ahora miramos para acá.
What do we got, guys? Here we go. The drag racing starts, I don't know when. Later. Let's go around and meet some of these crazy people that come racing here with this cold weather. It's freaking cold right now.
What is it, 50?
Freezing. Look at this. I got my chicken legs out. So we're ready to go. So we'll see what happens. Here's the first one, Toñito. This guy knows how to ride Jetski. So he's not gonna have a problem with this cold weather. We got Fizzle.
Oh shit.
Fizzle the man right here. So
It's cold
Fizzle in the
outside,
house.
boy. It's cold.
We already met that guy, so Cuco.
What's up?
So what do we got here? Let me get between them. The two lovebirds. Look at this. Are you racing?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Of course. Are you racing?
Yes.
Of course. And what happened when you two race?
I'm gonna beat him.
There you go. You better lose, boy. Oh, you got a lot of pressure.
It's funny. She gets her nails done to prepare, and I'm fucking putting 20 hours in trying to get them done. She's still gonna beat me.
Nice. Hey, that's the way it is. The ladies always win.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It's nice seeing you here like always. So this girl is boss. I don't know about him. So
I'll be racing tomorrow on the faster seas.
nice. So you don't have anything for Specs?
I'm gonna race my stock team. Spec.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see each other there?
Yes, I'll see you.
Cool.
in Spec on my stock team.
All right. So we got all the people from Puerto Rico right here. They came all the way from the island to race. So this event is the biggest event. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. A lot of new people. So and that's what it's all about.
Is that a 21?
Yeah, that's Chris.
Holy shit,
So
man.
Chris has the same jet ski as mine, but he got a turbo. So
Nice.
it should be really interesting. I'm gonna be racing against him.
Another banana dude.
Oh, look who we got here. I got something for you. Yeah, I got something for you.
What you got?
I got a brand new platform.
Oh yeah?
21. It's slow, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slow, area slow. I hit jumping.
Everything go with you?
En la rampa no me salude.
Yeah, I know. I mean, even you can say even Jets
Hey,
bueno.
hey, what are we doing here?
Well, I didn't have no time. Like I said, this thing was built in a short time. I didn't have no time to put my stickers. My sponsors, Fizzle, Brian, and that's it.
We got a bare bone ski right now.
Oh yeah.
A little bit you'll see we're full of
Goodies.
kinds of goodies.
Hey, you there? Right there?
That looks good, bro.
So which way?
Just like that. Yeah. Yeah. We got.
Oh, look, we got Lenny here again.
What we got?
Lenny's always here.
What's good? What's good?
So talking with Lenny, so it's always fun. Oh boy, look at this. The guy that invented the jet ski.
Del Valle.
Oh, oye, already?
Opa el agua.
Coño,
¿Cómo está la cosa?
te quiero, coño.
Oye, hacer un tinella la
CRT, Carlito, he's always a lot of fun. He brings a lot of fun to the sport. He's always smiling and he brings a great crew. That's always
Special
nice.
weekend. It's gonna be a special weekend.
Oh,
I see a lot of people, a lot of skis, so it's gonna be a blast. I feel it.
Yep.
And so we got like jet skis from all over the place. Like explain to the people.
Yeah, we got from Puerto Rico, we got from up north, just all over. This is the biggest race of the year, so it's very, very exciting. So we'll see what the outcome. It's cold, so everybody's gonna be performing at their best. If they do speed alley, there's gonna be record-breaking. These are record-breaking weather right now. So if they do speed alley, they're gonna break the record if they got everything together. So it's very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. That's why we're here. Where are you?
You gotta figure it out.
Can you imagine?
Hey, what's up, bro?
It won't start. Too cold. It's cold. It won't start.
My Yamaha started.
Hey, we're on YouTube Live right now. What do you got to say about that?
All I know is my Yamaha started. No problem.
That fucking racing shit, man.
Only Yamaha start in the cold weather, right?
Why didn't you put a new start button when you fucking did this shit?
That's all, baby.
Better than outside.
Hey, it's like a jacuzzi, right?
Yep, just dirty. Oh my god.
You need to jump. Get the jump box.
Well, we had a Yamaha guy save the day. That's what teamwork is all about.
Those kind of words.
Yeah.
People around me are saying,
Justin, where are you, man? Look, your wife is enjoying all this, and you missed it.
My buddy's watching the live stream and he was like, he was laughing at the Let's Go
MVP, run.
Hey, what do we got?
Nervous. Doesn't get
That's it,
old.
bro. The Spec race is going on right now. What do you got?
Not get old. Every time I come here, I'm always nervous. Until I get in the back of the thing and I forget about everything.
We'll be in race number 2.
I'm cold.
Hey, listen.
Carlito's coming around right now.
You got this, bro. Just another day in the office.
We do the best we can.
He's not holding it down.
I know. I'm still getting used to this shit.
When did you get it?
I just got it a few months ago.
I got you. You still got your white one?
Oh, and this one got him on top. Wow.
18-year-old out there. First time ever. Good job.
We're down to 1 minute. You will forfeit your race.
First time.
Thank you.
Good job.
First time going full speed on that hole.
From the side of the beach.
So
wide
you
open.
only take it half speed when you practice?
Yeah. I do whatever my tuner says. Give me a little gas, a little bit more, and that's it. I think it's beautiful. Seadoo made a heck of a freaking Jetski. That's all I gotta say.
So what's better about that jet ski than the Yamaha?
The whole thing. I mean, oh, seadoo's always been, it's been different than Yamaha. Yamaha has a more flat bottom, so they got fast speed.
Right.
Seadoo's made for
You get
rough,
more of a V bottom.
more of a V bottom. But this is in the middle. It doesn't have the big V. They did a great job. I love it. And as a mechanic, I love it how it's open like that. You can reach every part. I mean, I love it. Great job.
Ernesto Calas. Watch out. He's coming back for more.
So now I'm gonna be more relaxed. I'm gonna tuck in, let the wind go, over my head. What a boat!
I'm telling you, I raced the P1 RXPX, and I love that boat. And watching the drag race, you've seen the 16-year-old Harold out there, and he had a phenomenal run. You got a little issues, but you got your boat dialed in. I can't wait to see you in the next round.
Oh man, I'm speechless right now.
My man, good job, man. Good racing.
I know. That's why I should throw it.
Shit, did he catch him? Wow, what a race, man.
Let's see what we got. Let's hear the shoreline. Who do we got, shoreline? Who do we got?
All right, Ernesto.
If Omar wins, this will be it. If Ernesto wins, we're going to have to re-rack him and race it again.
So Ernesto has to win twice. bro.
All right, guys, so what happened was first place got disqualified because his wheel was too big. It was illegal in the class. So I got pumped up to first place. So I take the win. I'm very proud of the seadoo. I cannot say enough times.
And 9 days, did it build?
9 days. I didn't get to play with nothing. The hole is completely stuck. I just threw everything I had, the same prop that I had in my 260, and I couldn't be no more proud. I mean, Pupo builds amazing skis, and they're fast. And for me to hang with him like this much, I'm very proud. And super proud to say, because I got a lot of respect for Pupo. And I can say enough good things about the new RXPX. The hull is amazing. We had a little bit of shop and it just goes right through it. My other, the T3, it used to rock back and forth and it was a little sketchy. I love the Jetski. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Fearless.
With